This is what the conditions are like on this crappy road. The blizzard of 2011. Chicago status. Hold on. Let me roll down my window. These are the roads. Not too bad, right? Why is no cars on them? Because they can't see in front of them. Oh, hold on. We're going sideways a little bit. Rolling up the window, up the window. See this nice semi truck? He's just driving with his lights. I got the best wipers in the world. The window stays dirty after they wipe. They are the best. America's best. Only in America. I am recording. I'm almost on E. Overdrive off. That's how we roll. Hey, you know what? I can almost drive better looking out of this camera than looking out of my window. It looks yellow in the camera. My window is just all white. Yeah. Well, this is my turn. Gee, I wonder where it is. Oh, there's a van coming out. This is where I go in. Oh, here we go. Ford Escape. Oh, where is the road at? I don't see anything! I really don't see the road. But I'm gonna just keep going because I don't see no other cars either. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this mountains of snow. People are like, why are you video recording me? Why? Because I can. That's why. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! Windshield is still dirty. Visibility is down to 0. Where is the road again? I think this is where I go in. Whoa, look at all this. Oh, hold on, here we go. Try to do it. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Nothing for a Ford Escape. Now let's see my old parking spot. I think we're stuck. Oh God. Stuck in the parking lot. Yep. How did I make it all the way out of here and back into the parking lot? Oh, I guess that van is stuck too. There ain't even that much snow up. Man, what in the world? Okay, down a little bit. Oh yeah, we're deep over here. We're pretty deep. Half a tire in. Alright. No, there's a van stuck. They need to plow this parking lot. Well, I mean, I'm stuck too, but... Alright, I gotta turn my video off. Maybe I'll just leave it up here to record.